Tropical Storm Christine. At this, we just would like to highlight that recently the assistance and pag-ibig extended to our members. While we do not wish a calamity, that of this magnitude to these areas, please know that your pag-ibig fund is ready to help by providing calamity loan. Binanggit ko po kanina, calamity loan is open and they can apply through the virtual pag-ibig. And of course, yung ating pong multipurpose loan, pwede pong manghiram ang ating mga members affected po nitong ating Tropical Storm Christine. Yung pong mga ating housing loan borrowers na naapektuhan ang kanilang mga bahay dahil po ng bagyo, pwede po silang makipag-ugnayan sa Pag-ibig Fund to check kung meron po silang insurance na pwede pong ma-claim kung may damage po dun sa kanilang properties. And meron din po kaming housing loan moratorium for our